Okay, morning. This was a tip from one of my subscribers, and he said the best way to peel onions without making you cry is to soak them overnight in water in the skins. So how to skin them easier. So this is from Grumpy Grandpa. Let's see if it works, shall we? Right. Let's see how easy they are. So I'm going to pop you on a tripod and we'll have a look and see if it's any easier. I suppose, yeah, that's a lot easier. I mean, yeah, that is a lot easier. Let's wait for the tears now. Tears. Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, that's a lot quicker. Nice one, Grumpy Grandpa. Good tip. Yeah. Alright, I'll keep going with these because there's a lot to do. Yeah, it's quite... So if that comes off, secondary skin. Oh, yeah. Okay, and I'll let you know if there's any tears as well. Okay, yep, he's right on the peeling, but not on the tears. Ooh, God, these are strong. Never mind. So, Grumpy Grandpa, you lied. No, you didn't. It was just... Ooh, God, these must be really strong mushrooms. I said mushrooms, didn't I? Oh, I'll tell you what, these are not. These are so... Right, no, it does not stop the eyes from stinging, okay? Just to prove it, no, soaking them in water does not stop your eyes from watering, okay? Woo, these are exceptionally strong. Right, so Grumpy Grandpa, oof. First part right, second part no. But thanks anyway for the first tip. Okay, just a quick onion hack. When you top and tail them, if you see that? So let's say we top or tail, whatever you want to call it, so top it like that, and you pull the skin. If you twist it, and then they meet, so the skins meet. So it's easier to get to. Bit of a hack there, I'll show you another one what I mean. It was a lot easier to peel, I must admit. Right, so peel him, pull him, turn him, 180, I think it is, 180, and then they meet, you see. The two joins meet and a lot easier to peel then. Now that was just, there we go. Bit of a hack for you. I sure already knew it. These are for beginners. Still sort of pig to peel, aren't they? But not as bad as it was. Because I found the skin was so hard, it goes down your nail. Oh, that's smart. Anyway, we'll crack on. Definitely a lot easier to peel when they're soaked. That one's got a bit of a bad skin, so we'll take the next layer off that one. Yeah. There we go, bit of a bad one. Right, so we're nearly there. Look at that. We just have to rub them and they're off. So a good tip from Grumpy Grandpa. Shout out to him. And the other thing I was going to show you now, just do a couple more, just to show. Look at that. So I find as the skin's a little bit greeny or going, I'll take a secondary layer off. Like that. Leaves a nice crisp onion underneath. Okay, and the other thing is I want to show you. Here we go. So out of the whole bunch, I could use that one, but I'm not going to, it's too soft. So he's a bit squidgy. And this one, he's gone. Okay. That's 2 onions, 2 small onions out of 4 kilos. So pretty good going. I've got a secondary skin, I'll take that off as well. A bit green. Why did I do that? I just threw the skin in the pot. Can't wait to finish. And that's it. I'll carry on. I'm going to salt these now in a bucket in a minute. Okay, so I don't know if this is right. I'm going to put them in the bucket now because they've been soaking in water overnight. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on them and no water and just leave them just for about 5 hours. Not massive amount, just a bit and then a layer on top. That's it. I shall bottle them or jar them, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to plate on top and then put them in the outside shower. Alright, and I'll leave them there for about 5 hours. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like. This is just a bit of a hack and an add-on to the other video I did about onions, okay? Not mushrooms. Why did I say that? Take care. See you in the next one. 4 kilos, 1 large one, that's my hand, 1 large jar and 4 medium-sized jars, okay, and that's 4 kilos and 2 onions wasted. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.